Today we're getting ready to test a brand new RCLM S-Class. This one's going up to James from Massachusetts. We're going to try to get some footage here that we don't really have yet. I've gone through a lot of our videos and all that. I've noticed we don't really have a really good shot showing the power of the RCLM and how thick of grass it can actually mow for you. And so we're going to try to capture that here on the down in the pit there. We have some thicker grass, and so that should give a good demonstration for you for kind of what this engine is capable of for you. And so I'm going to go ahead and test it. We're going to do some just basic function tests to begin, and then I'll take it down into the pit. So let's give it a go. The first time this gas engine's been started since it got to our factory. Started right up, good. Right now I'm just in low speed mode, just to test function. First time these electric motors have been run, brain's been used outside the lab. It's going pretty good. So let's put it in a high speed now. Pretty quick. This thing probably mows at like 6-7 miles an hour, maybe even a little faster than that. Now the deck height's pretty low, so normally for the thicker grass you're going to want to raise it up. I'm going to just try it. Maybe I won't get lucky, but let's find out. So let's go down there. You can see it has no problems going on the slope. The slope's about 30 degrees here. Let's see how well it cuts. This grass is almost 2 feet tall. Wow. I'm actually surprised how well this is working. Oh, here it's bogged down a little bit. We'll just have to go a little slower. It's cutting really well. The deck height's probably set at like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. It's getting a little muddy here. I'm going to just back my way out, turn around. Pretty good. I'm going to raise the deck though so I can get a good cut on everything, but you can just see, I mean, it's just mowing it, no problem. Change the deck height is really easy. Just going to turn off the gas engine. You see it's kind of like, it's pretty low here. I mean, only a couple inch clearance. So I'm going to pull this out, raise the deck height. Second from the high should be fine. Then gonna start back up. Now I won't have to go so slow. Can't quite go full speed, but pretty close. Not sure what's over in this area because grass is so tall. Hopefully it's not too muddy. Usually if you have like a lot of mud or really rough terrain, you want to go with the track model, the 22T. This one's here is the S-Class, which is the top of the line RCLM series. It's a really nice unit. Been making these for about 10 years now. Cutting really well. The last thing to check here is just to make sure I can turn it off with the remote control. Go ahead and try that out. It's just that easy. I'm happy to say this test was a great success. I hope you guys can see what our hybrid system can do for you and just what a great unit this is. I think James is going to be very happy.